This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Well, if your stomach is starting to growl a little bit and we're getting closer and closer to dinner time and you're just don't want to worry about it, you don't want to do any of the thinking when it comes to dinner, that's where our friends at Benvenuto in Milford come in with our dish of the week. We're hanging out with Chef Zeus, the one and only.
That's me.
And what have you got for us today? I'm seeing a lot of great ingredients and colors here.
Yes, so this is something fun for me because, you know, the staff and I, we usually make stuff like this for ourselves. But this is a pork fried rice.
Delicious.
All right, so what we have here is this rice. First of all, this rice is very special.
Chef Zeus starts with a special rice that's been cooked down with garlic, annatto, and chicken stock, which is perfect for fried rice.
So fried rice is fried rice. We can make it any way we want. We can add whatever vegetables we want. I like to use some of the heartier vegetables that we see in some of the Chinese dishes, things like baby corn, some water chestnuts, some bamboo shoots and things like that. You know, so I like to add these different things to it, bean sprouts, you know, roasted onions. So I'm gonna show you kind of our take, all right? Now,
after heating the pan, Chef Zeus adds cooked pork tenderloin to start adding flavor and crisp. Then we add garlic, mushrooms, onions, and water chestnuts for a hearty and authentic flavor.
and now while we're doing this, keep an eye on your garlic.
Right.
You don't want your garlic to burn, okay? So you can certainly mix it in with your mushrooms, and that's going to sort of stop the cooking.
While those flavors simmer, Chef Zeus adds bamboo shoots, the baby corn, red peppers for some color, and then combines all the flavors together in the pan.
I used to work with a guy, we actually worked together at a Chinese restaurant when we were younger, but he would make his fried rice in a pan like this, all right? And so I kind of picked this up from him, all right? So what he would do is he would pull everything off to the side,
Okay.
all right, kind of like you would in a wok.
Right.
And then he would add his rice, okay? See? And again, we have some high heat here, okay? All right, and we're gonna start toasting this rice up a little bit. So while the rice is toasting up, you have these flavors going on over here.
Chef Zeus then prepares to add the secret sauce.
You guys tasted earlier is a secret weapon of mine, all right? So this here has soy, has a little fish sauce, it has sesame seed, it has little mustard seeds that you can see in there, and a bunch of other things that I really don't want to disclose because then
it's a secret sauce.
Yeah, you're not going to come here for it. You're going to say, oh, I'm going to make that at home.
In addition to some other secret ingredients to add to the rice.
And we're just frying this rice up, and you see that the rice starts to toast at the bottom.
Yep.
And you don't want it to get too toasty because you don't want it to be super crispy.
Right.
Then we start mixing in all the ingredients together for one coherent dish. Add some pepper and just a pinch of salt.
All right, see, now that's starting to look like a really nice fried rice, except it has chunkier vegetables in it, right? Because I want it to eat more like a meal, not just a side of fried rice. Thank you.
Then we lower the heat and prepare to add the final touch.
And what we're gonna do is, we are going to cook our egg over here.
Yum.
All right? So if you're doing it at home, make sure you use a nice non-stick you know, pan or skillet.
Yeah,
all right?
that makes sense.
And then we just bring this in, make sure you get that oil in there. You drop your egg in, okay? All right, and we're gonna kind of let him do his thing, all right?
We want the egg to be nice and runny, but with a little bit of crisp on the bottom.
Okay.
Now, of course, we're gonna season this egg. A little bit of pepper, teeny bit of salt, all right? We're gonna turn our attention back to our rice, and look how beautiful that looks, all right? And now what I like to do is, I like to go in just for a little taste test, just to check.
Gotta do a little taste test,
You have
that's
to
how
check
you know.
the salt, exactly. Ooh, man.
Yay.
Listen, that is so good.
I can't wait.
The peas, I add last minute, okay? If you can get some fresh peas in the summer, you shuck them yourself, that's awesome. The next best thing is going to be frozen peas, all right?
I see.
This is exactly what this is, just a beautiful color, all right? Lots of sweetness in there, and you don't want to break these up.
To plate the dish, we scoop the rice, pork, and veggies into a heaping pile and top it all off with our crispy, runny egg.
Beautiful.
Right on top like that.
I love a fried egg on top, or a little sunny side up egg on top of anything.
Yes, but I like it fried. So you see that? All those little brown crispies. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. If you don't mind handing me one of those spoons.
You got it.
This here is a chili crisp, all right?
Ooh.
And what we're going to do is we're gonna put this chili crisp right on top of that egg.
Oh.
And the flavor that's in this chili crisp is just out of this world, okay? We are then going to take some of our dressing here, which really dolls up our rice.
Love it.
Okay, and we're just going to bathe this rice with this beautiful dressing, okay? And then last but not least, we're gonna come over here and grab some of this beautiful fresh green onion.
Love it.
And we're just gonna sprinkle on here. And I'm gonna tell you, Leah, this will be one of the best fried rice that you've ever had.
Oh, I can't wait.
And there it is.
Well, as always, a dish that looks this beautiful, smells this amazing. It's got to taste that amazing too, am I right? And I'm just dying to try this. So
It's
shall
good.
we?
Oh my goodness, we have to. And you know, I'll give you the honors of doing the egg.
Okay.
I go right in and take a little bit of this pork and that rice. I know there's some good dressing on there.
You got to get a little bit of, everything. A little of that yolk, a little pork, a little bit of everybody.
Isn't that good? I love it.
And you're right, that dressing just puts it all together.
And did you get some of the chili crisp in there?
I'll try again. I'm sure I get some of that chili crisp because this is very tasty.
It is. It is so good. Right?
Oh, that little perfect. Spicy little kick. Love it. And we know that you're gonna love it too. That's why it's this week's Dish of the Week. So if you come to Benvenuto and you say, I want that pork fried rice dish of the week that I saw on CoastLife, gotta mention that you saw it on CoastLife, you'll get a little 10% discount on your dish of the week.
I love it.
We love it too. So we know you're gonna enjoy this. We also know you're gonna enjoy some more CoastLife. That is coming your way.